got a problem. I keep turning on the camera and not pressing record. But, okay, we are at a truck stop, pull-off stop. Don't come behind me, sir. Don't come talk to me. I ain't got shit for you. We're at a pull-off stop. I had to do my 30 minutes. So I just pulled off at the nearest pull-off spot before. Baby, I had 5 minutes left on my clock and I did not want to take a violation. That was a no-go for me. So after this, I do have the GPS set to the next fuel station. So the fuel station is literally 15 minutes away, but I was not gonna make it. Like I said, I only have 5. Why does it keep going in and out? I guess when I look down, it blurs out. You see? You can't see my eyes. I don't need you to detect my eyes. I need you to detect my face. Yeah. Just stopped. I only had, like I said, I only had 5 minutes left on the clock. And I didn't want to take a violation. No, sorry, bye. Not me. The ice tastes so bad. It tastes used. My teammate. Focus is acting really funny. But yeah, so we got 15 minutes left before I can pull off and start driving again. Do I need a break? No, but I'm hungry, so after this I'm gonna pull up to the next I'm gonna pull up to the next fuel station, which is in 15 minutes after I get back on the road. And I'm gonna heat up my food. I got a burger from McDonald's that I need to heat up. Okay, y'all, so we are here at our fueling stop. I just fueled up. He went inside to go pee. We're coming out now. 30 minutes. This man, he waits till the last minute to want to go pee. I've been here for 30 minutes. You waiting until I hit 25 minutes to want to go pee. But we about to leave. I'll see y'all later. Good morning. It is the next day. I'm sick because on the first day my teammate decided to sleep with the AC on full fucking blast, and I was right under it. Like, he had it blowing against the top of us, so it was like coming around and hitting me. Yay. So I'm sick. My skin is skinny. I don't know. But it is 8 o'clock in the morning. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. I woke up at like 8 o'clock because I had to pee so bad. But I peed during my teammate's 30-minute, and now we're headed. We're back on the road. He's got 3 more hours on shift, so yeah. Who cares about your shorts? Hey guys, today is the 22nd. Today's the 22nd. It's 1:30. Where did you stop at? What state is this? I think we're in Wyoming. We're doing our pre-trip switching shifts. It's about to be my turn to go on shift. This man done got me sick. This man coughing. I'm coughing. I feel like I'm on death row.
Right side in Colorado.
We're in Wyoming. We're in Wyoming. I feel like I'm on death row. My throat hurts so bad. I bought some Halls. I bought orange juice. Orange juice helps me a lot. But I'm about to take over and do it for the 99 and the 2000s. I was not born in 89. You trying to talk shit. I wasn't even born in 89. I'm exhausted. My body is exhausted. I need a new pair of shades because these are too thick right here, so I can't see when people coming up to me. Somebody get their son. What are you looking at? What is he looking at, y'all? Get this. Somebody could get y'all son. What is he looking at? .30. Okay, it's time to go. I see y'all on the road at my next stop.
All these opportunities were just across the bridge. The world was more than twice the size, and now I was a kid. Traded in the comfort zone for life, I'm on the edge. I was gaining all my dreams, holding tightly to the pledge to myself. Was quick to move, was waist deep in the sand. We were starving to beat off all the seeds that we planted. Somewhere back a couple of years in the attic, I almost ditched the plan to ship the work to the label back when the bars were bland. Man, on my word, though I follow through on prior engagement. The tip of my tongue not far from the innovation. Now it's mine for the taking. Tell the people mistaking me for somebody to toy with, the plug, the ox to play me. Time was paralyzed, I felt the strain to stretch my lungs. Confidence depleted right along with all the funds. Those days it was less about the bread that we obtained. No other way to slice it, I was scraping by on crumbs. But I loved the feeling the odds against me. Could it tell me that I wouldn't get it? I wanted plenty, I was quick to defend me. Feeling surrounded by angels, demons on rare occasion. Trying to shake the momentum, soon as I find.
Hey y'all, it is midnight. Somehow I've been driving for 12 hours and I'm exhausted. My throat hurts so fucking bad. Can y'all not hear it? Can y'all not hear it? Well, I'm finna get ready, get my ass in the goddamn bed. By tomorrow my throat is a little bit better. The steering wheel down because like I told y'all I am sick and I probably done coughed all over this goddamn steering wheel. I take my little clothes. Exhausted. My legs hurt, my feet hurt, my back hurt. Oh God. Go have fun.